And welcome. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of our Boxycharm Premium Box for January 2020. So before we jump into it, if you are new here, hi, welcome. My name's Rhonda, better known as Hot Mess Mama MD, and here we embrace the hot mess, friends. We run pretty much on nothing but caffeine, and it's a judgment-free zone where we sit back, relax, talk about makeup, beauty, whatever, and we don't have to worry about it because it's a positive channel. So hopefully you decide to stick around, subscribe, turn that notification bell on because I upload pretty much every single day at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time, and I'd love to have you as part of the family over here, as well as on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, where I upload a lot of keto related content, recipes, all of that. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. I am so excited. If you are new to Boxycharm, Boxycharm actually is a monthly subscription service. Now, there's 3 different tiers that you can choose from, and I already did a dedicated video unboxing the standard base box, which is $25 a month, and it does have a total of at least a minimum of $125 worth of products. This box is the premium box, and this is $35 a month, and you are guaranteed at least $175 worth of product in here. And then of course there is the Boxyluxe, which is a quarterly, like every 3 months type of subscription. That one is not monthly, and that one is like $49.99, and oh my good heavens, whew, it's amazing. Anyways, guys, any of the boxes from Boxycharm are new. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. My explanation was absolutely ridiculous, by the way. Sorry about that. Okay, so when we open the box up, it does say Boxycharm Premium, and of course we do get a card. And on the card, it does have a theme every single month. It's always something different. This month, it is breaking the ice. Now, on this card, it will give you a little information of everything inside of your box, retail value of each item, as well as a little snippet about everything, as well as you do get a little variation on here, and it tells you which box you have, which this one says box number variation 28. You guys always ask me as far as the size of my box or the weight of the box. I did go ahead and check it on my mail scale. It came to 1 pound 13.3 ounces, and like you said, this is variation 28. And when we open it up, here's all the goodies. Now I did not know what was coming in my box, and honestly I wasn't too like, oh my gosh, I need this over this, because some of the sneak peeks that I saw, I'm like, I'll be happy with anything. So first and foremost, I was so excited because I am like 99% sure everybody is going to be getting this. This is the Farsali liquid glass. Now everything in this box, guys, is full size, so you don't have to worry there. It is everything is full size, and ooh, it's so pretty. It reminds me of the it's right here because I use it all the time, the iconic Linden. When you move it around, it swirls. It reminds me of that. I am like 99% sure everybody got this full-size bottle in their box, and this actually has a retail value of $54. Holy guacamole. Okay, so it says this is a hybrid skincare serum that hydrates the skin, leaving a radiant glow with hyaluronic acid to plump and improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Yes! To all my girls 40 and over, hit that like button down below. I see you. Girl's gonna be 42 this year, because like I said, I'm gonna be 42 this year, so we need all the hyaluronic acid known to man. We need anything and everything that's gonna like totally plump up our skin. So like I said, it plumps the fine lines and wrinkles. It can be used as a hydrating skincare serum, as a radiant booster primer before makeup. I am actually going to come back and do a whole try-on video for you guys, so definitely make sure you subscribe, because like I said, I had just gotten home, so I didn't have time to do a whole application process and all of that, because I do have to run right back out and pick people up from school. So there's that. So I will be definitely coming back and doing a whole try-on and review for you guys. Okay, so the next item we got is the best brow kit ever. Ooh, this is my $1 Billion Brows. We actually have gotten, I think, a couple different things last year from them, and I really liked their little pencil. This is the $1 Billion Brow. Does it say the shade? It says it's vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free. Let's just open it up. Okay, so you get a whole set here. So you get the eyebrow pencil. It's a universal brow pencil. So I'm assuming it's like a taupey shade. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's perfect for me. Yep, I would say it's probably a taupe type of shade. It probably says it on here, but I am missing it. So there's that. Then you do get their brow gel. You do get a smudge brush, and then of course one of the concealer highlight pens, all in this kit, guys. Like, that's pretty awesome. And like I said, I know that in the past we have received some of their products and I really like them. They were really good. So as far as the price of them, oh, this kit is $42. It says transform your brows with the essential brow products. This universal brow pencil to sculpt your design look with the brow duo pencil. Highlight the brow bone to instantly lift and define with concealer above the brow. Okay, you guys know I have dyslexia. If you don't, you're new here. Hi, welcome. I have dyslexia, so things jump all over the page. So I try not to read too much because then I start getting like in my own head. Welcome to the Hotmess Express. Okay, so like I said, $42. Rewind. This box, again, $35, guys. $35. We've already made, well, heck, we made our money back on the first Ollie. This is amazing. Whew, I love Boxycharm. Okay, so the next item is the St. Lux Eyeliner Trio. Ooh, we got, wow, 3 full-size eyeliners in here. So it looks like we have black, brown, and then like a nude shade. So that's very nice. And they're all sealed. But like I said, don't worry, guys. Just come back. I will be doing another video where I'm trying all of these products on. And of course, I can give you like my thoughts, my opinions, do a whole review and everything. And a little bit about this. It does say that, God almighty, I'm really sorry, guys. I didn't check the price of anything before I hopped on here. So you're getting like real tea. The St. Lux Beauty Eyeliner Trio retail value is $55. The perfect trio, a mix of 3 must-have liners in bronze, nude, and black. St. Lux is bringing you a bunch-proof gel-based liner that glides effortlessly and lasts all day. You know what? I gotta open at least one of these. Let's do the black one because I always wear black. Because I love gel, formulated gel pencils. Wow. Why was that so hard to say? That was ridiculous, Rhonda. So it is one of those pencil sharpener types. Oh, it's very black. That's awesome. So it does feel like once you've kind of like got it going, that it's gonna be very like, and I like that because I always waterline, like on my waterline, I always put black on there. But like I said, y'all, I'll be coming back and I will be doing a whole try on for you guys. Okay, so the next item is the Kat Von D Lolita Eyeshadow and Blush. Super limited, first time ever. This is really dark. Oh, this is really dark. Do you see how dark that is? I mean, honestly, that's gonna be a really good eyeshadow for me. Oh, it's not as scary. Oh, it's not scary at all. We can do this, guys. We can do this. So that's the swatch of that. I will definitely, like I said, for like the 15th time, I'll be coming back and using that probably on the blush because, hold on, I'm getting way too excited. Have I had caffeine? Yes. Have I had probably too much caffeine? Yes, I probably have. So there's that. But anyways, this does have a retail value of $19. It says Kat Von D's Lolita eyeshadow is a triple milled and insanely pigmented. It's a matte eyeshadow formula soft seamless blend, blah 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 blah. It says rock a rosy eye, top it off with a Lolita lip for the ultimate monochromatic look. Oh, well, that's different. Okay. I mean, I will play around with that. Okay, here's what I was geeking out. Okay, so I saw some sneaky peekies, and it was, I think we even had a choice, but like I told you guys in my dedicated video of the base box, I did not choose anything. I was like, surprise your girl. I want to see what I get. And we could have gotten this palette right here, or I think it was another Too Faced product that was maybe like blush and highlight or something. I'm not gonna lie, I would have been happy with that, but I really wanted this because I saw when it came out last year, I was like, this is so pretty and I so want it, but I so did not want to spend like $45 on it. So like I said, this is a Too Faced Palm Springs Dreams Cocktail Party eyeshadow palette. Isn't that just so pretty, y'all? $45. Did you hit that subscribe button yet? Because your girl is gonna create a look using this palette too. And let's just swatch this blue. Swank is what it's called. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's like a metallic-y blue. The mirror in here is so nice. Oh, I need to swatch one more. Okay, Buzzkill, looks like it's a duo shimmer. Yeah, you probably won't be able to see that, but definitely make sure to subscribe, guys, because I will be creating a look with this. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, okay, I have to put it up. But I mean, look, you guys know, if you've been with me for a while, you know your girl loves pink. And look at this box. I mean, that's so adorable. So adorable. I mean, look at that. Is that not precious? Okay, I need to let it go, but seriously. Okay, like I said, retail value of that is $45. That's expensive. Last but not least, we got the Laneige Mousse Moisturizing product here. I would say this is definitely skincare. Fresh and calming moisturizer. Oh, wow. Let's try a little here. Oh. It's definitely a foam. Ooh, oh. I like that. No scent, good for sensitive skin, and it actually does feel hydrating. I would not expect that at all. It's like a lightweight type of hydration. I will definitely, like I said, be using this. I wonder if they'll pair well together. It says hydrating and calming. So this has a retail value of $29. It says blended to perfection with nutrient-rich deep seawater and a bunch of words I can't pronounce. So that sounds amazing. Pretty excited about that. Dries down. I will say, just based off the feeling on my hand, if you have maybe dry skin, I don't know how that'll work for you. It definitely, you can feel the hydration there though. But I think paired with the Farsali, whew, it'll be a great little duo. So that is everything in this month's Boxycharm Premium. Grand total of everything in this box, y'all, came to $244. Again, this will cost you $35 plus tax. This is amazing. I'm telling you, I have yet to get a Boxycharm where I'm not happy. I know it's a subscription box, so you're kind of like taking a risk on maybe not liking everything, but they've been nailing it. They have been nailing it. So if you are by chance interested in picking up a Boxycharm, whether it be the premium or the base box or the Boxyluxe, definitely check my description box down below. I will also try and pin a comment in the pin post section in the comment section. That is all over the place. I'm rushing too much. Sorry, guys. what I was trying to explain was in the comment section, I will pin a post with my referral link for you guys if you guys want to sign up and get Boxycharm. I do believe they have a special going on right now that if you sign up, you get maybe 2 products for free. I know you at least get an additional free product with on top of already what you're getting in your premium or your base box. So definitely check that. I'll be honest with you guys, it is an affiliate link, so I will earn a commission if you do decide to sign up with Boxycharm using my referral link. And if you do decide to do that, I want to thank you guys very, very much. I definitely appreciate your support. Let me know what variation and what products you got in your Boxycharm premium box. Do you guys think that they nailed it? Because I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I know there's a lot of different variations floating around with the base box or the standard box and the premium box, but I'm pretty sure that it doesn't matter what box I got. It was going to be amazing. So, and don't forget guys, you can always give these boxes as gifts because you don't have to be locked into a contract with Boxycharm. If you want to gift this to your friend for like Valentine's Day or her birthday or whatever it may be, this is a great box to get to not only add to your collection, but if you're giving it as a gift, this is a great way to add to their collection as well or build up on your collection. So anyways guys, like I said, my referral link will be listed down in the comment section for you guys. Thank you guys so much if you do decide to sign up using my link. Definitely make sure to subscribe before you leave because I will be coming back and creating a whole look for you guys with all these amazing products, and I'll be able to give you guys a review as well. So anyways friends, that's going to be all for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, please help me out by giving me a big thumbs up. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. Sorry for the interruptions of my cameras. It's what they do. I guess that's good because they're doing their job. Anyways guys, off to drink some more coffee because as if I'm not coffee strong enough. Anyways, don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. And until next time friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. This is so awesome. I can't wait to play with things. And I'm still recording. Wow. Hi, Rhonda.